Want to do more shadowing? I guess so. So today I'm going to give you 3 different sentences, starting with a super easy sentence. Ali has 3 cats. The only word that is pronounced differently here is the word has. Instead of saying Ali has 3 cats, which is not incorrect, you can easily say that. Double negative. The word has is reduced to his. Ali has 3 cats. That's it. Super easy. Ali has 3 cats. The second sentence is a bit long. I was gonna sleep in, but someone knocked at my door loudly. First of all, the word was becomes was. I was. And with the word going to, you have 2 options. You can say gonna, going to, gonna. I was gonna. Or you can say going to sleep. You kind of merge the word to with sleep and you take away the O. So I was gonna sleep or I was going to sleep. Both are correct. Also, going to sleep is correct. I choose gonna. I was gonna sleep in. Sleep in means sleep more than usual. You know what I mean? Like not wake up early. Can you say, but someone? Yes, you can. But someone, that's fine. However, it is a perfect place for a glottal stop. You'd say, but someone, but someone. I didn't say but someone. You can say that and it's okay too. But someone knocked. Obviously, the K in knocked is silent. So it's not knocked, it's knocked. At becomes at. I know it's kind of weird when you say it outside of the sentence, but in the middle of a sentence, you would say at my door, at my door. If you say at my door, it's still correct. I was going to sleep in, but someone knocked at my door loudly. The last one is, he used camouflage to hide from the enemy. First of all, we have the word used. The S sounds like a Z because it is in the middle between 2 vowels. That is something my friend Guido taught me. So is it always a Z when it's between 2 vowels? No, but most of the time it is. So he used camouflage. The word camouflage is taken from the French. G here does not sound like an original J sound or G. It's not a soft or hard G sound. So it's not camouflage and it's not camouflage. It's camouflage. So he used camouflage to hide, not to hide, to hide. He used camouflage to hide from, not from. He used camouflage to hide from. He used camouflage to hide from. The enemy and not the enemy. Why? Because enemy starts with a vowel sound. Whenever you have a word that starts with a vowel sound, after the, you change the pronunciation of the to the enemy. He used camouflage to hide from the enemy. Happy shadowing!